Hello, hello. Welcome to another declutter. We are doing blushes and we have 2 drawers to go through, so I'm just going to jump right in. I want to try to be as savage as possible, but I know it's going to be hard for me. So let's go ahead and jump in. This one from Judy Doll kind of picked up my foundation, and I've tried it a few more times, and the shade is a little too light. A lot of their products are made for more pale skin, so I'm going to declutter this one. This one from e.l.f. I don't know. I feel like I don't really gravitate towards using this one just because of the style of the pot. So I don't know if I should give another go. It's a really beautiful, like, orangey shade. You know what? We're going to keep it and give it another go. This from About Face, I really, really love. It's more of a matte formula, but it does blend really nicely on the skin. I do like this one from Wonka. These right here I really like. This one from Danessa Myricks is very beautiful, but it's more of a highlight. It's kind of like, I don't know. I don't know whether to keep it or not because of the fact that it's kind of like a wet, like you see it's a dew wet balm. Oh, it's a highlighter. You know what? We're going to put this with my highlighters. So I'm going to give it a go as a highlighter and then go from there because it seems to be kind of like a liquid type of highlight. So we're going to put it there. Okay, next we have Half Caked. This is a candy paint. This is an absolutely beautiful shade. Blends really nicely. This one from Honest Beauty, I really love as well. And this is the shade that Tati kind of made go viral. I feel like it's beautiful with absolutely everything. So we're going to keep this one as well. This one from She Glam, I don't really care for these shades. This is cream and then this is powder. I do like their other ones better, so I'm going to declutter this one. I really love this Tower 28 as well. Some of these creams, they dry, so you have to be super cautious with using them. This is a deep shade, but if you're light going in, it does look very beautiful on the skin. So I'm going to keep this one. Let me see these from Kaja. The only thing with these from Kaja is they're so freaking tiny. These are, what are you? Cutie bentos. I looked these up and they don't even make these anymore. And it does say that they expired last year. So I'm going to get rid of both of these and declutter them. After I do all these clean up, I do go in and like wipe down everything. So we'll see. This one from Pixie is really light on my skin, as you can see there. I don't really even feel like it really shows up. I've even tried to build it up and it doesn't build up on my skin. I feel like this is for someone with really, really pale skin. So I'm going to get rid of this as well. Next, we have these from Kaja. I really like these. Let me check if these are still available or not, because maybe they undid these as well. Okay, they still do these. I will say I don't really care for this, like the stamping part of it. It's cute, the idea of it, but I do like the cushion type of liquidy type of blush. So let's see if any of these are still pigmented enough. I do just go in with a brush and kind of like apply it directly to my skin. This is cute. I wish it wasn't so freaking bulky. Yeah, that is pretty. Oh God. See, this top part I don't really care for. And this should have been in my bronzer area. But you see, it's kind of like a cushiony type. And then you get this beautiful kind of glowy. So I'm going to put this one with my bronzers. That probably should have been in my bronzer declutter video. But, you know, I'm trying here. Okay, I'll move these around later, but I'm going to keep all 3 of those. I'm going to keep all of these new She Glam ones. Absolutely love this. This one from Wander is pretty old, and then it has this weird lip balm on the bottom. I wish Like, stop doing, either make it something duo or don't put like something for cheek and then something for lips on the bottom. I feel like I like keeping my products for the most part separate. Like if it's a lip product, lip product. If it's cheek product, cheek product. But this one is pretty old, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. I have these from Tarte, and I want to say most of them are dried out. Yeah, oh God, that's so dry. That's a problem with some of these cheek ones that if you don't use them, they can dry out. Oh, that is pigmented. Let me see if any of these have a funky, yeah, they don't have a smell to them. I want to say I got sent these last year. Let me go ahead and see if I can revive them a little bit. Sometimes they get like hard pan. Okay, this one does not want to swatch nicely, so we're going to get rid of that one. That one. And then let's see, this one is a beautiful mauve tone. This is like a tone I really like. I don't know. This one is way too dry. I think I'm only going to keep this bright raspberry berry bliss shade. It's still the only one that is more creamy. The other ones are almost completely dried out. So we're going to get rid of those, which is going to be nice to make room for some other stuff. This one from Tarte came in one of the boxes. I want to say, I don't know if I probably put this with another blush, but I feel like it's pretty light on the skin. It's almost like a highlighter, to be honest. It's supposed to be a liquid blush in peach. We're going to give it another go and see. Most of these from Milk Makeup are new. Really love the jelly tint formula. Really love these from Miss Huda. These from Milk Makeup. Let me go ahead and swatch. Oh God. Did I just break you? Oh my God. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch some of these. Oh, that's a gorgeous berry one. Let's see this one. See, when they're in this type of packaging, I feel like they last longer. They stay creamier longer, which is really nice. Ugh. I'm all over the place in this video. So these are nice. I like when stuff stays nice and creamy. Oh God, I nicked that one. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is nice. So we're going to keep these. I really like that Milk does these because they go up. It keeps the longevity of them. A lot of times when they're in pans like this, I feel like they dry out really, really quick. So sometimes twist up formulas, even though it's a pain in the ass to open, is nice. This is from Drunk Elephant. I don't remember what you look like. Oh, okay. This is a pretty rose one. So that's what that looks like. It's very nice and glowy. So we're going to keep you here. This is from Trixie Beauty. Oh God, why does that look so dry? Wow, that is orange. Orange, you glad you watched this video? Okay, I'm so corny. I don't know. It's a different kind of shade, so maybe we'll keep it. This one is from Miss Jaclyn Hill. Really love this. This is so pigmented, beautiful, blends like a dream. This one is from Lottie London. I think this is one of those that turns color based on your pH. Yeah, that is pretty. So, and this is pretty new, so we're gonna keep you as well. Okay, I'm not doing that good on blushes. What is going on, Melissa? These are from She Glam and are really nice as well. I think all three of these are different shades, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And then this is one of, oh, this is from Euphoria. It's also one of those that transforms and is very glossy on the skin. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be for, yeah, it says it's a blush oil. I will try this out again and see how I like it. It's very beautiful on. I am just a hot mess. Look at my hand. Okay, over here, I feel like there's a lot that I like. I do really enjoy this one from Lottie London. This one from Wander Beauty is very beautiful on this side. Love this shade. I really love this kind of like mauve-y, pinky shades. And this comes with a highlighter on the other side. So a lot of these, I think I'm going to keep. These from Ciate. I think that this one's a little too light for me, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. I want to say, oh no, why haven't I not used you? It's probably because I have way too much crap in here. So we're going to keep those. This one from Pixie, I want to say is also very beautiful. It's one of those kind of berry type of tints as well. Yeah. Okay. So everything else that's in here is going to stay. I know it looks like I didn't do much so far. I've only taken out 8 products from the cream drawer, but I will say that the cream drawer is one of my favorite drawers. Next, we're going to go into this. Okay. These are more powder ones. These I know I'm going to keep. These are like special edition ones. Love NARS, Fenty, Miss Pat McGrath. This one from Illamasqua. I don't like this packaging. I feel like I'm too lazy sometimes to undo it. It is a beautiful mauve, so it is more newer. This is from Laura Geller, and it's a pretty peach. I feel like my mom would use this a lot, so maybe I'll just give this one to her. This is the Tropic Hues, and I have a lot of peachy shades like this, and I think I'm going to give this to my mom. So we're going to take that out. These are a lot of MAC. This is the trio from Kaja that has a blush, a highlighter, and this cream. I do really like this, so this one can stay as well. And this one from Tarte is a little too light for my skin tone, so I'm going to take this one out. This is Pate, so we're going to take that one out as well. Love all of these from Benefit. These are some of my favorite blushes ever from Ciate. This one is also from Ciate. It's a pretty pinky, like marble shade. It kind of reminds me, like this is kind of like a dupe for Hourglass, which I really like, that has kind of like that marbling that kind of makes like shimmery, very beautiful, as you can see there. So we're gonna keep both of these. This one from Jaclyn Beauty, I don't really gravitate to so much. I will not be purchasing any more loose powder blushes because I don't use them. So I'm gonna get rid of this. And she also did close her brand, so that's that. This I really like, but I feel like I mainly take it with me on vacation because of the mini Willa. Love this blush so much, but I do have the full size of Willa. If I'm not mistaken, I want to say I have the full size of Willa. Yeah, Willa is described as a soft neutral rose blush. One of my all-time favorites. It's just absolutely beautiful for every day. Why does it look different on here? I feel like, oh, I feel like Willa looks different. Look at this. In her original packaging, she's a little lighter. And then in this one, she's a little deeper. I do take this with me a lot on vacation. And I love the shade Willa, whether it's in here or over here. So we'll keep both. We'll keep both. I'm sorry I'm not being as savage as I should be with this declutter. Okay, so love the Charlotte Tilbury. This one from Too Faced. I hate this bulky packaging, but these are stunning in here. I want to say all of these can stay. These over here, this one size is so freaking bulky. I do not like the packaging. This one I'm going to be giving to my mom. She's wanted like a little trio like this for traveling. So I'm going to give it to her because I have way too much. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's called The Italian Summer. really, really nice. And that way she can get some benefit from it. This one from Ofra, I don't know what it is about like a lot of the Ofra stuff that I end up getting rid of them, but this is gonna go as well. This one from NARS, I don't know, I just feel like I don't really use this as much. So I'm gonna get rid of this one as well. This is the NARS little trio. These from Smashbox, I love. These from Alamar Cosmetics, just absolutely beautiful. So, God, I feel like I use this one a lot more than this one. This one here is the medium tan, and this one is the fair light. This one has more orangey tones. I don't know, not sure. This is nice as well. Okay, I'm trying to, this one from Pop Beauty, I don't really gravitate to too much, so I'll go ahead and give this one away. And then, yeah, this is going to be it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all of these, both of these drawers, like put everything in its place. And as far as the blushes go, let me go ahead and count them and tell you guys. Here are all the blushes and palettes that I decluttered. There's 15 in total. I think I did a pretty good job. I should have been a little bit more savage, but blush is a category that's hard for me. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe. My socials are down below.